I kind of like miss this voice on radio and for music. Big shout out to Zinoliski and big shout out to Mayor Cool. Then big shout out to Busiswa Abi. That's the African girl, on top of this particular record. And it just so sad, say summer, this whole cancel culture, emotion, they full and pass. Low key right, I'm not sure say anybody they would give chance to Zino to even hear his jam. You get.
And you get new singles.
You get nobody send down right now. You go take, but then I just sit down and think over like, what did this one really do? Like, why would not just, because at the same time when Zino they suffer right now, Chris Brown they suffer for so many years of that arrangement with Rihanna, that fight, yes. Till now, they know they call. See, if you ever see Chris Brown name for Grammy, you know say he don't go do spiritual work for
the one we happened recently now for Super Bowl.
Yeah, when they not greater than
apart from Super Bowl, that All-Star NBA All-Star
when supposed to play, they cancel one
then come out.
Say that in a come out, they say no, the brand where the sponsor say no, it cannot be part of one. You get.
That's
and this that waiting to happen like
how many years ago?
Yeah, even Rihanna when the thing happen to
Rihanna, the way the thing happen with, and you see the funny thing, see, we all of us now human beings. If you expect say you go see perfect human being, you go die where you expect to see perfect human being. You not go see perfect human being. We are all full of flaws and mistakes and errors.
That's what makes us human.
And that is what makes us human. Now this guy, if Moku say okay, oya, maybe we even analyze what he do. When in Drum, the indices where you go put into play and say how old in day when he be saying
very young go. I don't say very young, very young
when he Drum. Then two been day young. You understand? And the truth is, waiting lead to the thing will happen. A lot of
at that time we not they consider him.
That's my problem with all of us with that. A lot of people they always look at the thing where the
aftermath,
not even that one. Yes,
the reaction,
they even look you just they look waiting they happen. You know, look waiting really they happen inside.
Because why people know the reason now? Because they expect to say you be a better version. Now, if person match you, not match am back. Just relax.
See, no, that's not it, Baba. No, who go lie down? ID Kabasa give one example of a lot of people missing a lot of things. In a site where they build house, somebody go. The carpenter go build box, beautiful box, paint arrange the box well. Then every day you carry new wheelbarrow, go outside, then go stop am for doors. Waiting there inside the box, then go open. He go open am. Then he say now just dust. They go. Then go leave am make carry go. The next day he go carry another box again. Something waiting there inside. Now till finally when the guy don't come go. They come begin the live and make it they carry go. They come find and say, waiting the guy they do, waiting on they check. Now not be waiting on supposed to check.
Something else they under.
Not be waiting they under. The guy they actually steal the wheelbarrow.
Oh.
Not be even waiting there inside where you they see.
But for your mind and
that thing where it show you.
Yeah. So every day they carry new wheelbarrow come on.
Every day they carry new wheelbarrow.
But you not observe.
Wow.
But you not observe. So the thing is, we are so quick to killer.
Yes.
You know they ask questions.
Yeah.
Now before, if me and R&B fight now, me and R&B not fight. I'm not beat on.
You sure? Little you sure?
Baba go bite your You see, me and R&B can never fight. If R&B they para, it any small, maybe something happen, he para give me. You know why I not go too vex for R&B? I don't know where they come from emotionally. Something don't happen. So if you want me to react to how intake they happen that time, I go wait.
Try think.
If it be transfer of aggression.
Exactly. If it be transfer of aggression, you let her wait. Then later I come call her.
But no, we not be like that for you.
No, we not be like that.
As we just see her, first to report, now we support.
You understand?
Yeah.
Instantly.
And the same thing for social media, will lead to the cancelling of Zinoliski.
Yeah.
Now you don't know the role where in play. You don't know what in lead to ram. You don't know the surrounding.
Try to protect one person, you don't break another person.
Yeah. The same way when they say justice for Mohbad, when they do injustice for you,
yes.
Yeah.
The same people when they say, "Oh, stop bullying Iwobi." Now they bully your Edoche and his wife.
And his wife.
Yeah.
They go say every day.
And the people where they talk say no bully, they bully Davido.
They bully you every day.
The same people when they say,
you understand?
With support one, leave one person and they bring another.
Then they bring another person. Okay, I see
one.
this morning where they say, Yule Doche daughter change in name.
People they support the.
But they say, yeah, why when you have a disgraceful father? The guy don't never even come outside, can't tell you the thing where they. I know the support. I'm not waiting with the my life.
Also, he changed the name for social media. Say he means he changed the name for
it means he changed the name for a birth certificate.
Let's be realistic.
Can we be realistic?
Now young girl, so
young pikin.
She's bound to just say marry.
Take decisions anytime.
She go but when it comes to the certificate, when she marry,
you understand? You understand? So when she marry, she go still do am.
Yeah, she go still do
even if she change her name now to Hamilton Biden Obama. It not change the fact say your papa blood dey inside your body.
You do to pikin, he not change am.
And you see, my papa dey always talk to for Igbo. Nwoke ga-eme hu ibe ya hụrụ. Man go pikin go later no what basically wetin e mean be say pikin go later see wetin adult see.
See, yes. Na just time go.
Na just time. You dey the shout the question. No. In fact, it won't be na him kill Mohbad.
Who say that?
Oh, I see him now.
Iwobi.
Yes, I see him for social media. Holy Iwobi responsible for Mohbad. Bro.
So you know what I realized?
We are savage and see, I'm sorry, no verse, then they give sweet name to Ram. Savage. Yeah. You're a savage. No.
Okay, so this is now what I feel.
We all have
why you notice we be like that for this part of the world. A lot of things they wrong with us as a society.
Yes.
Governments don't feel us, religious houses don't feel us, family don't feel us. Yeah. So we get build up anger. So waiting social media they do now say they create victim for us to pour that frustration on. You go see somebody do something, the next thing you see one other comment on top that post. They don't know that person, but all of them they vie towards that person.
I swear.
So not be that person that they put now the pain when they feel. So they all use that person as a means to just say express their pain.
I want to ask now, why are we going to say this one is a Nigerian thing or the whole world thing?
It's more common in this part of the world.
It's more common, but it's a world thing. It's a human thing. But it's more common for
Nigerians.
Sometimes people, I not feel count. It should be my day. I not feel count. Some people don't insult me. When they come see me, you then go insult my life. But funny enough, when they come meet me face to face, like, you're such a nice person. You're so sweet. As I see, that is the thing.
You see them for sure. Not be their real life.
Not be their real life.
They pass through a lot. So see him R&B post. They want use R&B to stay their frustration.
And make a tell you truth. Anybody who insult me for social media, you're just wasting your time. Because the funny part, I no even see him. Even when I see him, I go pity you
because you they go through a lot.
Because you they go through a lot.
And a lot is going through you.
And a lot is going through. In fact, you sit down inside a lot.
No mentally stable person. They go another person post the right rubbish.
Yes, no mentally stable.
So people when they battle a whole lot. Now then they pour out
their anger and frustration. And when they post this post now, somebody go still insult
it day. So because in life maybe man not break your heart, woman not break your heart. He never see food chop since morning. So something must don't happen to them. So that your post now wait for them to just express himself.
And R&B make I talk this now. I stand to be corrected.
Naija FM.
Why a lot of celebrities they go through a lot of hate? A lot of notable people they go through hate. A lot of like you now, people so they feel insult you, join insult back. You know why? When they see how you take the steez, you know, they leave the life
they
when
wish
they
to
want
live.
Yes,
now you they live. But guess what? We know they really live the life, but they
exactly.
They see from social media thinking we are living the life.
Thinking you're living the life,
so out of every jealousy.
Someone sent a message. You know, as we do our Naija whatever the Valentine beach. Somebody sent me a message say, but I thought they said Nigeria is not good at the moment. How come people are still going to the beach?
You understand what I'm saying?
I
post one video for Instagram yesterday. I don't know whether you see that video. Why they eat? Why they do for my brother
Rude Boy
song?
Yeah, I see him.
Me and Rude Boy talk finish. I tell Rude Boy it's okay. I they eat now for make I just me and my friends they eat. Me I gather the food. Make I make video. I gather everybody food. Make content.
Not say that
you not go believe say idiot. Yeah, Baba, not forget idiot. Sad human beings. One just go under. And one, the sad part, say one of them na radio on a personality.
Oh.
Yeah, say, this is so insensitive. At this time that people are going through a lot, you cannot be eating online.
Okay, see, let me make that example.
Baba, as I see him, I say, maybe they never pay this boy salary for 6 months.
Bless you. Let me buttress what I just talk.
Yes.
That person have never chop in the morning.
Yes.
Seeing those different plates of food.
Yes.
For a man, he's saying and you want your way.
Yes.
So he's pain that say, I supposed to chop this food, but they do the waste and use and shoot content. They do, hey, it not go better for
you. But if I send you message, say Baba, I beg.
I never eat.
You understand? I beg me send one plate.
I go say like 100K. Baba go eat.
Baba never eat. I beg you send 100K.
But it's not still it's not justified. Let's be sincere.
The fact say you they go through something. Now imagine Becca posts picture now. As Becca is looking beautiful, elegant as she is right now, she wear her dress, post them. You go see somebody.
When go talk, say why
you go now? Wow, ladies of nowadays, I don't know what this word has turned into. Look at your hair.
They don't actually post them for my comment. They don't. They laugh.
I don't see them.
They don't put them already.
Now it's for the hair. Now for the dress. How kind of short dress is this? My sister and my brother, if you see a beautiful person as that, and the only thing will come your mind to right now negative thing, then you be the problem.
So and again, we do this a lot, and I think he also joined with it. We they portray our insecurity.
Thank you, my brother. You go make heaven for this thing where you talk.
Me nko. I don't go make heaven.
We dey portray. So you go notice, say, you know why?
Wait. Because he get the key.
Okay, you go make. You go make heaven. You know why I agree for this thing? Okay, you go make heaven. You know why this way R&B talk? He get one post women and R&B discuss one time.
Yeah.
R&B, you know the person. The person they related to you. Where would they talk about man carrying more than one woman?
Yeah.
Where somebody where you know. Maybe I know they beat the person.
Yes. When you talk saying they miss.
Comment. What rubbish is this? What can it? Meanwhile, you where they talk.
Now you that they beat.
Now you then they beat.
So when you see people, anytime you see divorce issue, cheating issue, check through the comment. Those people they face the real life issue.
People where they
so they not fit talk their own pattern. So that they use the one where make social media take pour out their mind. But now what that they go through for real life. So that's why I say they portray their insecurity on top of other people's life. And guess what? Those other people's life story if you not be like your own really. But you want get opinion on top of your own.
Yes. You get one video I see yesterday where Tunde not post. I've been at Tunde not post. I don't know who post them. Where the man now 60 something years. We don't they marry for 50-some years. Where in two children.
No,
DNA.
He had married 55 years.
Yes.
His children are 43
and
42.
Yes.
Yeah, I
see.
My brother,
that guy will not be black man.
One girl when them born them, they do naming ceremony. Then thank God say they don't born pikin. They don't know say no born come Don't go right. The man must have cost it. He must have cheated on her.
That's why the woman gave her 2 children. They see justification.
The children will not be in own.
For what? And how you tell you know? You say your brother get kidney problem. Now you carry children. Say okay, you go do check to see whether you na fit donate one. Now the checks, none of them be children.
But the same time, I won't say no say they swap the children.
No, those things they happen to.
Those ones still they happen. Because all those hospitals, those nurses, they are criminals. So
this is where people know they get when we speak of making DNA mandatory. Not be just to say, oh, now your wife is suspect. Now for the hospital, they lot of dealings they go on. There's one rich family looking for a boy because my boy there, he go pay one nurse, they go swap, they don't mind.
And the mother wey born pikin fit not know.
He don't go know
because he don't tire and they'll carry the pikin come out.
So the DNA test is for your own good as a woman and for your own good as a man. And let's stop lying. I could stop lying that it's expensive. It's not expensive.
No, DNA is very cheap these days.
It's cheap these days.
But this one way things that they talk. They're gonna need to let the children grow before they fit do DNA.
They're not born from birth as a baby.
You know, say if you do DNA, when pikin see the belly.
Yes, they're going to do and to check.
I think that's the best
thing. And they check for blood group.
If not AS, genotype.
You go check whether
especially those
from belly you go know whether the pikin where the one born.
I think that's the
best
too. Before they swap your children.
I swear, but people not go see on this way.
Since Daddy mentioned something and I did shocked. You know, he talk about Solomon. For Bible, say that's why the fact Solomon gets 700 wives. He tried to research, say now only 4 children.
4 children, now you get to.
See.
How come?
How come you not come?
How come you not come?
How come? Because I did shocked. 700 wives, 4 children.
No, but more calculate. Solomon gets 700 wives. 300 concubines.
Yes.
So which means he get like 1,000 women.
Yes.
Okay.
That guy pull-out game will be strong.
No, not be only pull out. So that time, waiting, they use a sack of goats.
Now
they do process. Now be the first set of condom.
Somebody use nylon. Now they laugh me. I say use nylon as condom. If condom not there, my brother use nylon. You don't laugh me. Sack of goat. Use them.
So that's look for that here. We need to find out. So I just imagine truly say how many goat got to die for Solomon to protect himself
and if
from
you like 3 or 4 times a day.
You can imagine that means let a slaughter goat. Check that.
My brother. Maybe one goat could just sit there for one corner. No. Maybe the goat could just sit for one corner. Solomon go waka pass. The other one go tell them. Now wait, don't they waka like this? You want to? My brother, now you go die.
but really, I don't know. I did shock. See if not that, Becca toss out. You go tell Solomon me go do DNA test because there's a possibility to say.
If not 4 children out of 700.
No, but you know, say some of those goats, then go feel see they happy. My brother, now you the one kidness. My brother, at least waiting the one use me do.
And if that kind of they do today, God go take, they go even they happy.
My brother, God go
because
happy.
The economy too hard.
At least the economy, my brother enjoy small too. But true, in that case, if he be say now only 4 children, he get,
out of
make he do DNA.
But it's left. I want to tell her.
No, make he go do it because 4 children, when they 1,000 women, when they be say now when one man get one woman, he give birth to 12 children. Come to you get 4,000. And be say you know they use condom.
No, let's imagine say really they use condom.
No, see, Baba, you are right. Solomon that time, I'm not sure say they wear pant. Because now robe. No, check this thing well. Now robe if you they wear.
Yeah, now robe then they wear. Most men that time not they wear.
They didn't wear. Now robe. So yeah, they go time for waist. You know they go.
I don't see him. The guy named King Minos.
Now he
starter. So they say that they use the bladder of goats.
Oh, bladder of goats. Yes.
Now they use.
Now be the first.
So now they protect them from disease.
You see,
from STD.
So Solomon videos the Wakanda. Solomon go just say, how are you? What's your name? Oh, that's good. Thank God I be one name. No, think I cause trouble for social media. Are you my wife? Yes. So hey,
I don't see you.
Oh yeah, come, I give you quick.
But you know the annoying part of that bladder where they use. They say they come later and say after he still use bladder, one of his wife still born 8 children.
So that means now why they need to do DNA test.
So now why they
Solomon need to do DNA because Papa, how you go use bladder? You wife see the born 8 children. I be say Solomon fit na blank if he dey shoot.
Yes, now if he dey shoot.
Then the 4 children fit not be home.
If he want go enter motor, maybe I'm Solomon a nice guy. If you dey go somewhere now, go see one get the face. Who are you? What are you? I'm your concubine. What's the problem? Nothing. You know not. What is the problem?
Talk to me.
Sir.
What is this?
They do that drama kick.
Because what is this?
Sir. The man will say, you have said it now. I'm going out, but okay, let me just give you one. But to check out, for Solomon to get 4 children out of 1,000 women,
I did shocked.
Something no, except say God don't tell us say no bomb past 4.
Maybe you're on the tie. Then that means the pull-out game must be really strong.
That means the pull-out game must be really strong.
I say withdrawal game. Man, I say no. You know if they do withdrawal. So they know they do withdrawal at that time.
No, recently.
Or maybe he go they tell the women, I no one bomb past 4.
So, yeah, I remember there was. You get what they receive. Get helps when women they take that time not to get pregnant. So. Most kings, you know, say kings. Yes, you know, say kings. They get plenty concubine.
Move on.
Move on, no. Please, daddy, move on.
It strike my memory.
Move on, no. Move on.
It strike my memory in early 2000.
Move on.
My brother,
I don't go talk.
So wait, okay, more your rapport. So I did read that thing. So waiting most kings they do because they get different women when they sleep will not be their wife. Once these women come, they'll give them tea to drink. So that tea goes sterilizing. So even though say the kings, you not go lead to offering.
So okay,
it go sterilize the pregnancy.
Now be say Solomon the waka. Any woman will just stop and say, "Do you have tea?" She know what it is.
I bet we dey go. Now back up from
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.